go. You got to turn it up.
And that's the speaker in the front.
Check, check, 1, 2. Check, check. Okay. Check, check, 1, 2. 1, 2. Check, check. There we go. A little louder. Keep going. That's too much.
Go ahead. I'll turn it down here.
All right. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to May 2024 Southern California Timing Association, Day 1 of the season. All right. Who are we sending up next? A little worried about this got salt in the water, though. I think it's confused. Should say got dirt. You know, Bonneville is a few hundred miles that way. Oh, it does say got dirt. Oh, someone broke out the blue tape. Oh, that's perfect. A little concerned, though. You guys are in the rookie lane. The 200-mile-an-hour lane's on the other side. Even though you're a professional and you ran out of Bonneville, you still have to go through the rookie line to make sure you're good here at El Mirage. Slightly different procedures here than versus El Mirage. Fun example of that is just on the turnout as a driver, which way you turn out depending on what's up with you. All right, here we go. Car number 222 out of the 200-mile-an-hour line. Langlo entry, 200 mile an hour, Camaro. Car number 222, 222, 252.448, 252.448 for car number 222. I think that might be a class record. I'm a little blind at the moment, but that is the fastest vehicle of the meet so far. Just bumped Pete out of the 244 mile an hour spot.
You guys too.